Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Do you like to think that you can precisely estimate the duration of a task? How do you know how long it's going to take? Is the piece of string you use to measure it cut to just the right length? Even when the task is highly repetitive, can you avoid the Murphy factor? For example, you do something simple like changing the tire on your car. How difficult could it be to determine how long that could take? How much variance could there possibly be? Loosen the bolts, jack the car up, remove the bolts, remove the flat tire, place the spare on the pins, tighten the nuts, let down the jack, complete the fastening, and take the punctured tire to the garage to be repaired. But what if you brought the wrong size spanner from your toolbox and have to go back to the garage to get the correct one? And then you realize that the jack's not working and you have to go and borrow another one from your neighbor. What if the rust on the bolts has welded the nuts tight and you need to apply some WD-40 and wait for it to work its magic? Sometimes you get away clean and it can take a few minutes. Other times, Murphy and his family come for a visit and it could take a lot longer. To size the duration of a sequence of tasks, use your best guess of the average time it takes for each one. Find the duration of the longest sequence. Add a buffer of half the duration of the longest sequence to the longest sequence and thus make up your overall duration. 9 times out of 10, your buffered duration will give you a very high confidence level of your time to completion. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.